Good evening and welcome to Sundays with Neelu. I hope you all are doing well. I'm doing well. Thank you so much for all your story responses on last week's story. My prayers and best wishes to each one of you who's watching Sundays with Neelu. So, coming to this week's story. This week's story's title is The Businessman and a Dog. So once a businessman was in a hurry to leave for a meeting. So early in the morning, he finished his breakfast and he stormed out of the house and got into the garage and he wanted to just open the car door. And at that time, a dog which was lying just under the car, suddenly sprung and it bit him. And the businessman got so annoyed that he threw stones at the dog, and he was so angry that early in the morning that he had to face such an incident. So then he went to the office and then called for a meeting with all the managers. All the managers came. So he was so upset that he scolded all the managers, left, right, center. He took them to task. Then the managers went and they scolded their employees. The employees got so annoyed. They said, without a fault, why this early in the morning? So all of them got annoyed and they started passing it on to others. Yeah, customers, etc. So finally, it reached the peon of the office. So what did the peon do? He had no one to shout at. So late night when he reached home and rang the bell, the wife opened the door and said, "What made you come so late? Why are you so late?" So he looked at the wife and he said, "What do you think? I go to the office to play a football match. I have work, so I got delayed." So the wife got very upset. She said, "What is this? I just asked him, why were you late?" And he got so annoyed. Then she went into the bedroom. There the son was watching TV. So she saw the son and she got so annoyed that don't you have any work? You always keep watching TV. Why don't you go and study? Then the son got so angry. He said that, "What is this? Mother scolds me for no reason. What do I do sitting at home? I watch TV. So what's wrong with it?" And then he went out and he started crying. He felt so bad with his mother's scolding that he picked up a stone and threw it straight at a dog which was passing by. And that dog was the same dog which bit the businessman. Okay, so this is the story. Yeah, so the theme of the story basically is karma. So what goes around comes around. So most of us in India, we believe in the theory of karma. What is karma? The action which we take is karma. And whatever actions we take always have an equal and opposite reaction, like Newton said. Yeah. So there is always, whenever we make a cause, there is an effect. It won't leave us without an effect. If we are angry with someone, that anger stays with us and it comes back to us in some form or the other. So it is very destructive. So while reading this story, I remembered something from my college days. When I was in college, I was, learning yoga. So I used to go to this particular place, which was a British construction, and it was just opposite the beach, and it was so beautiful and calm. And everything inside that yoga institute was natural. Everything. There was mud bath, there was sauna bath, there was everything, and there were infrared lighting, everything. But everything was beautiful. It was all very natural. So I loved that place basically. So when I went there, I saw a dog basically. When I entered the institute, first what I saw was it was a dog. So the dog's name I think was Rani, and the moment the dog saw me and I saw the dog, I was not at all an animal lover, but this dog somehow made me feel so special. I got this, you call it vibe, okay? There was a special affinity towards that dog. I went immediately and hugged the dog. The dog hugged me. And everyone around were watching in amazement. Apparently, the dog would never ever tolerate strangers. First, it would bark. But that day, it didn't bark at all and it hugged me. I hugged the dog. And this went on for days and days together. Whenever I went to do my yoga, I always used to hug this dog, Rani. And that was the time, someone there said that you have a karmic connection with this dog. Maybe you knew each other in past lives. So the dog always came to you so naturally and so beautifully, and it gave you selfless love. So I also felt the same emotion for that particular pet. So this was a small incident I remembered from my life. So what you feel about karma? Do you believe in what goes around comes around, or you simply feel that, like, things happen, random, or you feel that there's nothing like karma, please write it down in the comment section. I'll come back to you with another new story next Sunday, only on Sundays with Neelu. Till then, stay tuned, stay well, stay happy, have a wonderful Sunday. Bye.